This is the pinup full support. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits bands 26 through 56. It fits best B cups through P cups or larger, but it can fit A cups sometimes with petals or double petals. The cups in this one are just a little bit larger. The neckline is a deep V cut, as you can see, and there's some beautiful lace detailing on the shoulder area and around the band on the bottom of it. It is a medium to longer length cami, so it works best on balanced or long torsos. This is the back of the pinup. It's got that gorgeous lace detailing around that deep V back and that nice lace across the bottom. It's got convertible straps, as you can see here, so this will actually come out, and these can crisscross if you need them to for your wardrobe options. This is the inside of the front of the pinup full support. As you can see, there is no seams underneath the cup area, and there's some nice release points here for better breast health. Molded cups so you don't get uniboob. You see that nice deep V again. And then of course the panel that goes across the tummy to smooth out that muffin top and give you that slim line. And then this is the inside of the back of the pinup full support in one of the other colors. You can see that nice beautiful V-neck back. And then this one has, if you can see, the angel wing compressed paneling here to give you that shaping and smoothing down your back for more fitted tops, so everything drapes nicely.